Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Bossrox DIY Solar, and this is a video I'm not happy I have to make. I bought two of these inverters from Genetry Solar, and about 3 or 4 months ago, one of them started having some issues, so I sent it in for repair, and not too long ago, I got notice that it had been fixed, and got sent the bill and paid the bill for $450, and now it's over a week and a half, and I still don't have my inverter back yet. So I contact the owner and ask them for a tracking number. No response. Send him another message. Did a little more aggressive this time. Maybe he'll see it this time. Where's the tracking number, damn it? Still no response. So next message I sent was, well, it looks like you're intending to steal my inverter and my money. So I'm going to contact your sheriff's department and report it. And still no response on that. And since I don't have the guy's address, I couldn't find the receipt for the shipment when I sent it to him. I contacted the engineer that designs these things on their forum and asked him for his address. And whether or not I'll get a response back, I don't know. I just did that a little while ago, so we'll see what happens on that. But if anybody does have the address for Genetry Solar, I'd appreciate it if you'd post that information in the comments. And just let me tell you one thing, every interaction that I've had with this company has been totally disastrous. This guy has got to be the worst slob of a businessman I've ever run across. Everything is delayed. Messages aren't answered. The guy just doesn't give a crap about his customers, it seems. Now, as far as I know, right now, Genetry Solar is defunct because they don't have the money to buy the materials to build these things anymore. But they are seeking funding and backing to get the company rebooted again at the tune of about $90,000. Now, if you're somebody that's thinking about doing that and sees this video, I'd stay away from this guy. He's about the shadiest dude I've ever run across. He may be a great technician and built a great inverter, but as far as a businessman, he's probably the worst I've ever run across. Another thing he might be doing is taking pre-orders where you send in, some funds, and you get first dibs on the new inverters that he builds. Well, if he's still doing something like that, I would tell you, hey man, don't send your money to this guy. You may never see it again. So the guy's a fat ass slob. I mean, he looks real sincere on all his videos and everything, like he really cares about his company and his customers, but that is far from the truth. Don't ever do business with Genetry Solar. This guy does not deserve to own a business. I think that's about all I've got to say about this. Thanks for watching.